Saxon Phonics, Lesson 31, Digraph Th. What sound do you hear in the final position of these words? Repeat them after me. Bath, math, moth. What letter or letters is making that sound? Do you know? Th is the sound we hear in the final position of these words. Bath, math, moth. Th is the digraph making that sound. Do you think this is a vowel digraph or a consonant digraph? Correct, it's a consonant digraph because there are two consonants, T and H. How do we code digraphs? We underline them. Here is the picture card showing you how to code the digraph TH. There are actually two ways to code TH. Put your fingers on your vocal cords. That's right where your neck is. Do you feel vibration when you talk? Now make the TH sound in the word thimble. Thimble, thimble. You feel no vibration in the TH when you say thimble. That is called an unvoiced TH. We put just a line under the TH like we talked about. Now put your fingers back on your vocal cords and say feather, ther. There, do you feel a vibration? Yes, that is called a voiced sound. When you feel that vibration or it's a voiced sound, you're going to put a line through the middle of the T and H. You will hear the voiced sound more often than the unvoiced sound. You will usually hear the voiced sound. So when we code with a TH with a line through it and under it, that'll be in the middle of a word, most likely. And with the unvoiced, you will most likely see that at the end of a word, the final part of a word, and you'll just put a line under it. It could be either one of these for the beginning of a word. Feel your neck and see if you feel a vibration. When you feel a vibration, that'll be the voiced coding, which is the feather card. When there's no vibration, you will do the thimble card. Go ahead and get out your worksheet. Let's do numbers 1 through 10. If you need more time getting out your worksheet, pause the video. Number 1, M. M. Right. M. Number 2, B. B. Right. B. Number 3, I. I. Correct. I. And it's a short I, which means it has a breve above it. Number 4, G. G. Right. G. Number 5, E. E. Correct. E. It's a short vowel. It has a breve above it. Number 6, K. K. Remember, there are a few of these for this one. There's K, C, and CK. Number 7, Z, Z. Remember, there are 2 for number 7. Right, Z and S. We code this S with a line through it. Number 8, A, A. Right, A, and it's a short vowel. Number 9, R, R. Yes, R. Number 10, E, E. Right, it's an E, and because it says its name, it's a long vowel, and we put a line. Go ahead and look at 11 through 17. Let's spell some words. Number 11, snack, 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 sn, a, k. Sorry for my bad handwriting, it's hard with this mouse. S-N-A-C-K, snack. Number 12, milk, milk. M, I, L, K, milk. M-I-L-K. Number 13 and 14, they're both th, th. Right, we just learned it's TH. We code it with a line underneath. And 14, th. And a line through the middle. Let's look at number 15. The word is the. The. Right. T, H, E. The. T-H-E. Number 16, this. This. The. I, S. T-H-I-S. This. Number 17, math. Math. M, A, Th. M-A-T-H. Math. Go ahead and look at 18 through 22. Find the word that says the picture of the moth. Moth. M-A-Th. Right here. Moth. Numbers 23 through 27. Find the word that says lock. Lock. Right here. Number 26. L-A-K. Now go ahead and practice coding these words. Go through 18 and 27 and code the vowels with a straight line or a breve, and look and see if there's any CKs and code the THs correctly. Then flip it over to the back. Number 1, that dog had a bath. Who had a bath? Right, that dog. Number 3, the black cat is Nick's. Who has a black cat? Right, Nick's. That is Nick's black cat. Okay, the pictures for 5 through 8. This is a blanket. Blanket. 3. 3. Scooter. Scooter. And present. Present. When you're finished, go ahead and take a picture of the front and back and send that to your teacher.